on biodiversity, so the whole idea of what I do is trying to understand, why there are more species of animals in one place than another. What we're looking at what the impacts of climate change will be on that biodiversity. Well, on this trip, it's a undergraduate teaching course, and so the whole idea of this trip is to, show the students the forest, show them the animals, get them enthusiastic about preserving it, and sort of, get them all motivated to become field and conservation biologists in the future. They get lots and lots of concepts and hypotheses and ideas and theory, and now the field trip is the really important bit because it actually makes it real for them.
Okay, so I think field trips are a pretty awesome opportunity to get some hands-on field experience, which is what I do now for my project, but it gives you a chance to look at so many different aspects of it, like cage trapping, bird surveys, nocturnal surveys, see some awesome animals that you wouldn't see around Townsville, and yeah, it's just pretty cool.
Why did I come to JCU? I came to experience tropical rainforests and to work with world-class researchers, both of which JCU has near at hand.
To work in the rainforest and do a lot of different sampling. Today we did mist netting with bird surveys, and we also did reptile surveys in the forest to look at different diversity and species richness in certain areas in the forest.
From a teaching perspective, it's good for students to get hands-on work with what kind of activities they can actually apply to research questions. The activities we do are bird surveys, reptile surveys, and spotlighting for mammals, and the students have us collect that data, and that is actually real research that they're collecting.